Are you tired of laptops that just don't meet your expectations? Discover why this HP notebook might be the game changer you've been looking for. Customers rave about the quality, speed, and value of this HP notebook computer. Many users find it perfect for everyday use, with a sleek design and solid build quality. The 11th generation Intel i3 processor ensures fast performance for most tasks. From web browsing to word processing, this laptop handles it all with ease. The 15.6-inch Full HD display is bright and clear, with vibrant colors. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, and the touchpad is responsive and accurate. Its lightweight and slim profile make it easy to carry around. The laptop's solid build quality gives it a sturdy feel in your hand. With a good selection of ports, connecting to external devices is a breeze. Users appreciate the pre-installed OS and Office with lifetime validity. Browsing speed is excellent, making it ideal for both work and play. The battery life is decent, lasting around 7 to 8 hours on a single charge. However, some users find the screen quality lacking compared to other brands. Brightness levels are a common complaint, with some finding it too dim. The lack of a backlit keyboard is another downside for some users. Despite these issues, many still find it a good value for money. It's especially popular among students and beginners for daily use. The sound quality of the speakers is praised for being loud and clear. The laptop's design is modern and stylish with a premium look. For those who need a reliable laptop for everyday tasks, this HP notebook is a solid choice. Some users have mixed feelings about the battery life, with varying experiences. While it may not be the best for gaming or video editing, it excels in other areas. The compact size and good keyboard make it a practical option for many. Users appreciate the fast boot time and lack of lags during use. The laptop's weight is another positive, making it easy to transport. Despite some negative feedback on the screen, many still find it satisfactory. The overall performance is good, handling professional tools with ease. For those on a budget, this laptop offers great value under $4,000. It's a good choice for work purposes, daily office use, and general tasks. With its sleek design and solid build, it's a reliable companion for everyday use. Experience the blend of quality, speed, and value with this HP notebook, your perfect everyday laptop.